Some people worry about Social Security, like long-term financial support, and potentially having kids one day. I drink this coffee, so I don't have to worry about either of those things. I don't know if I'd be so empathetically intelligent and be able to be more understanding. It seems like such a rare ability in this world. And thank my mom. She always had a lot of energy at her jobs, but she was always extremely passive, and always gave people like the best attitude, no matter the situation. That's where I get it from. I used to get it from. I don't subject myself to, being nice just to be nice anymore. But my ability to understand things, empathetic intelligence, I thank my mom for that. I love going to 7-Eleven down where my van is. Everybody there is so nice and like helpful and stuff. I got a bunch of backpacks, a bunch of random stuff. It's not very organized, so I'm gonna change that. First, I'm gonna take the 2 backpacks from my drop shipping company that I no longer have anymore. Nobody took any time to look at any of my cool stuff. They're honestly some of my favorite backpacks and some of my favorite clothes I've ever had, so I guess I'm gonna keep them for the future. But my designs, I got into graphic design a little bit, freelance marketing, and I made these backpacks, but the manufacturer of them didn't use the strongest material, or they're not fabricated the best, and they both ripped. All my backpacks tend to rip unless they're really heavy duty, because I'm heavy duty. So I'm gonna try to fix these with duct tape and give myself some nice durable straps, some nice durable backpacks that can withstand how much I fill my backpack. So I need something that can hold a laptop. I think I need like a day bag and like a night bag. I tried to do this before, but I think I'm gonna use this duffel bag. I got this actually at Kmart when I was like 8. It was on sale, I think, when Kmart was going out of business. Like the first batch of them were going out of business in my area. I got this for basketball, and this is one of the best bags I honestly have ever bought in my entire life. It was on sale, and I remember getting it at Kmart, maybe in Newburgh. I got it for basketball, though, and it's literally hasn't ripped or done, like nothing has. It's exactly how it was when I got it when I was in like elementary school. So that's gonna be my night bag. I like these duffel bags that you can sling over your shoulder. I got this heavy duty hiking bag with like another smaller day pack and packed inside, and it's like a fractional like 2-bag hiking pack. It's not super organized, it's relatively organized. I don't think I really want to touch it though. It's like all hiking gear. If I just grab that bag, if I was stranded, I just grab that bag, I'd be able to survive. I think there's even food in those bags too. Like the only thing that I would probably need is like food and water. Like I think there's camping hammocks, there's a tent in there. There's a lot of stuff in those 2 bags. So I'm not gonna touch those, but all the other bags, I'm gonna take everything out and start putting these bags together once I wrap up these 2 bags with I wish I knew how to sew well. I don't. Pillow I sewed in middle school was like one of my worst graded projects in middle school. I got like a 75 on it, and it was honestly one of my favorite pillows. It was an NFL pillow with all different NFL teams on it, and all the patterns and all the squares were all crooked because I'm terrible at sewing. I'm really bad. So yeah, I have a couple sewing kits too, but if I sewed it would just be a waste of time and it would probably break. I gotta wait till I have more time to like develop that skill, but I'm gonna try to use duct tape. I have some heavy duty Gorilla duct tape that will get the job done. Basically wrap and create some reinforced straps with them. Got one done. Went from the top down where they always rip. This thing is, we are cooking with bacon now. Whew. Ma numero dos. Only took about 5 minutes. Just like throw it in, it's not gonna go anywhere. Been looking everywhere for this charger. I didn't know if it was gonna be the right one, but it's the one for this little light above the clip. It's a book light. These book lights are awesome. You can clip them, you can bend them. Hold on. Let's plug this in. There we go. Yeah, let that charge. But I bought this like 5 years ago. It's my favorite indoor light. Rechargeable, clippable, adjustable book light. It like shows you the red light to show you that it's charging.